Okay, let's dive right into this. In this explainer, we are looking at a massive, literally life-saving revelation today. I'm going to break down the core concepts from Abraham Hicks, and I promise you this will absolutely shatter how you view your health, your finances, literally your entire world. We are talking about the ultimate reality cheat code. This is the hidden architecture of how life actually works. It's the secret mechanism that the top 1% of creators use every single day, while everyone else is just left struggling in the dark. So what if your current reality is a complete lie? Seriously, I need to tell you right away. That broke bank account, that failing health you see right in front of you, the mountain of stress keeping you up at night, they are just delayed projections. They are literally just zeros and ones in a lagging matrix. It's an illusion. You're looking at a mirage of your past thoughts, and you're thinking it's permanent. But in reality, it is just an outdated reflection of who you used to be. We need to get super serious right now, because your wealth, your health, and your entire future depend on what you learn in the next 8 minutes. I'm talking brutal life or death urgency here, but it's also incredibly exciting. If you ever want to break free from being stuck in this endless loop of struggle, you absolutely must listen to this shortcut. Trust me, once you see the code, you cannot unsee it. Okay, so we live in a third-dimensional reality. It's physical, it's material, but here's the kicker. It is highly, highly delayed. Think of it kind of like watching light from a dead star, right? By the time you actually see it, millions of years have already passed. Neville Goddard teaches us that the physical world is exactly like that. It's just delayed, crystallized energy. But the invisible fourth dimension? Man, that is where the magic happens. The fourth dimension holds everything you desire right now, instantly. It's this realm of pure potential, completely free from the slow, sluggish lag of physical matter. Abraham Hicks calls this invisible realm the vortex. The vortex is this massive, unseen, energetic soup of creation. Your immense wealth, your perfect health, your absolute freedom, every single one of your wildest desires already fully exists right there. Think about Thomas Edison for a second. He didn't just invent the light bulb out of thin air. The idea of the light bulb, the complete blueprint for it, already existed in this energetic soup. Edison just tuned his frequency to it. He literally reached in, pulled it out of the vortex, and brought it into our physical third dimension. And guess what? You have the exact same ability. But who's the one doing the pulling? Meet your inner being. Your inner being is your wise mind. It's your ultimate highest self, and it already knows exactly how to win this game of life. Your inner being lives safely inside this vortex. It doesn't stress about bills, it doesn't stress about sickness. Why? Because it has already been to your future. Really think about that. There is a part of you that has already seen the finish line. It knows your future is totally secure, and it's standing at the end of the race, calling you toward it, completely free of any fear or doubt. So the absolutely most important action you need to take right now? Relax. You must assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Just imagine if someone you trusted with your life, like someone from the actual future, came to you today, and they promised you with absolute certainty that you already had $1 million in the bank arriving next week. How would you feel? You'd instantly relax. You would take a massive deep breath. You'd start acting completely differently today. You'd drop the stress, the panic, the struggle immediately. That feeling of massive relief, that is exactly how you must feel right now to unlock the vortex. 8 billion. That is how many realities are colliding on Earth right now. With that many people bumping into each other, stepping on each other's toes, fighting for resources, you are absolutely guaranteed to hit friction. You are guaranteed to experience pain. It's totally unavoidable. Life on this planet is literally designed to be messy. And this brings us to your ultimate survival tool, the manifestation steps. Step 1, you hit a problem. You experience that inevitable friction. Step 2, that pain automatically launches what Abraham Hicks calls a rocket of desire straight into the vortex. You hate being broke? Boom, you launch a rocket for financial freedom. You get sick? You launch a rocket for health. And then step 3, you align with the solution. Every single problem literally creates its exact cure in real time. The cure is born the exact second the problem arises. But here is where almost everyone fails. You must turn the cheek. You have to shift your attention immediately. Do not get addicted to the problem. We live in this crazy world where people just love to complain, you know? They bond over their trauma, they constantly vent. But when you talk about being broke, you stay broke. When you obsess over an illness, you stay sick.
Just like the ancient advice to turn the cheek, you must forcefully, almost radically, turn your attention completely away from the pain and look directly toward the solution.
Look, pain is just the universe forcefully asking you what you want next. Looking backward, the dots always connect. Steve Jobs said this perfectly in his famous Stanford address. He talked about how dropping out of college seemed absolutely terrifying at the time, but it allowed him to drop in on a calligraphy class. And that ultimately led to the beautiful typography of the very first Mac computer. If you deeply scrutinize your own life, you're going to see the exact same pattern. Every single problem, every devastating breakup, every fired job, it was all actually working for you. It was forcing you to expand and launching new rockets of desire. So here is the ultimate climax of this entire concept. The present moment is old news. Let me say that again. Let it really sink in. Your current broke, tired, or sick reality is literally just old news. It's the dead skin of your past thoughts. It is an outdated byproduct of what you used to think and feel weeks, months, or even years ago. It's a lag in the matrix. Treating it as permanent is the absolute ultimate trap. To change it, you literally have to rewire your physical brain. Reprogramming your mind requires extreme loyalty to the unseen. You must violently ignore your current physical illusion. The current reality is going to try to trick you. Your bank account will scream at you, your body will ache, but you must stay fiercely, unconditionally loyal to your new belief until physical reality bends to your will. You have to believe in the fourth dimension more than you believe in the physical objects sitting right in front of you. So how do you actually physically survive this? You have to understand upstream versus downstream. When you fight reality, when you stress and worry and panic, you are paddling upstream against a raging river. It traps you in this anxious, primal state of fight or flight. It drains your energy and completely kills your manifestations. But downstream? Downstream is pure ease. It's a powerful state of flow. The stream of life is already taking you exactly where you want to go. So stop fighting the current. Put the oars in the boat and just let the water carry you. You have to down-regulate your nervous system. You have to pivot downstream. If you feel stress or fear or anger, that is simply your inner being ringing an alarm bell. Your inner being is telling you that your current thought is a total lie. You need to pull yourself out of that primitive fight or flight mode and get back into a relaxed, receptive state. And you don't do this by fighting the fear. You do this by simply finding a slightly better feeling thought, just one small degree softer. But listen, here is a massive trap you must avoid. Don't scream fake affirmations. Screaming "I am a millionaire" into a mirror when you are dead broke, that just creates total panic in your brain. It feels like a lie, and it creates massive resistance. Think gently instead. Think simple, undeniable truths to soothe your mind. Tell yourself, most things work out. I woke up today. Gravity still works. The sun came up. These gentle, basic thoughts effortlessly pivot your reality back downstream, right where the magic happens. You command reality. Your life is on the line right now. You now hold the ultimate cheat code to existence. You know about the vortex, you know about your inner being, and you have the power to stop paddling and pivot downstream. But knowing this abstractly isn't enough to save you. You must take immediate, radical action to use it. You must demand a totally new reality today and absolutely refuse to accept the outdated news of the third dimension. Are you going to keep living in a delayed, outdated illusion, or will you finally pull your desires out of the vortex today? Look, don't just watch this. You need the right tools to actually shift your reality. Go to manifestatormind.com right now, get your mindset blueprints, and start changing your life tonight. The link is right below.